Hello, everyone. Good evening. Creepy, right? Reminds me of some haunted house stuff. Hello, everyone, and welcome to my night live, where we get to talk about energy and magic and manifestation and all the fun and exciting things. This was very spontaneous and in my heart. I've kind of been bursting to get on stories all day, but I've been wrapped up doing other things, and I kind of wanted to come on here and tell you guys a thing or two. So without further ado, let's get started. So I just dropped the motherfucking magic on you guys right now. I just dropped a brand new way to work with me, to be in my space, to be in my energy, to be in my world. And it is called Energetic Codes. Okay, I'm so excited about this. I can't even. I already have people signed up, and I just kind of launched this like a few days ago, but really right now officially. So that's really exciting and fun. Energetic Code is a 6 months membership mentorship. It is a coaching that's done over voice notes over at Voxer app, which is kind of similar to WhatsApp or maybe Telegram or stuff like that, but it's also very fucking different. It's very different, and that's why I'm choosing to go with that app. Now, for those of you who joined Money Magnet Masterclass that happened I think 2 days ago or something, I don't do time and space. I'm always in 5D. I'm like, what day is it? I had no idea today was Thursday. I thought it was Wednesday. I feel like I lost a day. Sometimes I feel like 3 days or 1 day. I've always been funky in the time and space, which is actually a freaking good thing. When you understand that time and space is 4D and 3D is here, and then 5D is like, woo, that's where I like to live. And then I get knocked out reality checks every once in a while. And it's like, hey, you're still in the 3D room. So, with that rant, I kind of wanted to talk about this. So, Tuesday, I had a very quick it was a very fast launch. And for those of you who attended Money Magnet, there was such a magic that happened inside of this masterclass. I'm obsessed with it. I've watched it 2 times. There's so much in there, and I've created a lot of programs and different masterclasses, programs and things, but I've never gotten this wow, oh my god, amazing. I have no words. I am speechless. Oh fuck, I just manifested $1,000 out of my ass. Or, oh my god, I just rewatched that and I manifested $2,000 or $100, or I need to rewatch it again. I keep having so many people reach out to me that attended it, and they're like, I need to watch it again. Hold on. Okay, I'm just kidding. My computer might die, but hey, we won't have a light. No big deal. So there was a lot of magic that happened in this masterclass. And if you are not in it yet, when I launched it and I said, don't walk, fucking run, sign up to that shit, I fucking meant it. I meant it. It is so potent. It is so good. The energy field, everything, I covered so many things around money that I was actually surprised at how I managed to cover so many things in those 2 hours and go really deep into them. And one of the things that we talked about in the Money Magnet Masterclass, which, by the way, you can join at any time and get instant access and start watching. And it's definitely, I want to say real quick, definitely one of those masterclasses that you need to watch once or twice or 3 times or even more, because every time you're probably going to watch it, just like the movie The Secret, you're going to keep getting downloads and be like, wait, was that there the whole time? I didn't hear that the first time. So one of the things that we covered was holding the energy. Holding the energy of your manifestation and not letting it go until it fucking happens. No matter what, you do not let that energy go, because literally magic gets to happen in the 11th hour. of manifestation. And I've been there way too many times, and I talked about this, that I literally manifest so many things literally in like the last freaking second, the last half an hour, the last hour, the last 20 minutes, the last day. I don't know how it happens. And that's what we some of the things that we get to cover inside. But one of the things that people struggle the most with is holding the energy of their manifestation, holding the energy of their dream life, holding the energy. And what do I mean by that? When we get inspired and we get moved and, you know, we're in the zone, literally we tap into magic. We tap into the quantum field, like 100%. When we get like a really cool, crazy idea, that's really fun and exciting, or we're like, hey, I really need to do this, or I want to buy this, or I want to get this, or I want to go here, or like you get those downloads of inspirations that cause like a spark in your heart. Amazing and beautiful and great. Now what happens is, to most people, is they get on this high where they're like, oh my God, okay, I'm going to do this and I'm going to do this and I'm going to do that. And they get really excited. And then what happens a few hours later? What happens a day later? What happens a week later to most people? Not everyone. No. Not everyone, but most people. Most people lose the energy. They let it go. They drop it. They quite literally drop it. And that tends to happen when we start doubting ourselves, start doubting how fast it's going to happen, start doubting if it's even going to happen. We start, allowing other things, current realities of others, current reality on the news, current realities, allowing people and things to say things to us to get us off of our focus, off of our vision, off of our manifestation. We share things with people that we probably shouldn't share with them. They give us their opinion. It fucks us up 1000%. And we let it go. We drop it. And it's one of the most unfortunate things, because when you have that manifestation, that goal, that dream, that vision, it is a high. It's kind of like, I don't know, it just came to me. What the heck was that movie called? Dangerous Minds? Such an old school, I'm such a 90s, like an 80s babies. This was in the 90s. Dangerous Minds. It's like starting a class with an A when you have that dream, right? When you have that spark of inspiration. It's like starting a class with an A and then having to hold that A the entire semester. Instead of starting with like a no grade, right? Instead of starting with like, I don't know, a C and it. Most, when you sound, I don't know how to explain this. When you're like in class, in school, whatever, and things, right? Everyone's like equal at day one, right? But you don't really have an A or a B or a C. You're just, you're nothing. You're like neutral, right? And then you do the homework, you do the test, you do the things, and then you get a grade, right? But in Dangerous Minds, one of the teacher gives all of her students an A, and she talks about holding the energy of an A, of having an A in the classroom, holding it through the entire semester, as opposed to having an F and then working your way up. It's different. It's a different energy. But what you'll find is that holding that A the entire semester many times sounds easy at first, but then all these things start to happen. You know, we fail a test, we don't study for this, we get distracted by this and this and this and that, and all of a sudden your A becomes a right? How do you hold that energy? How do you stay in alignment with your goals and your dreams and your visions and you don't drop it? It's like, for most people who are new to the manifestation world, for most people who don't know how to manifest things out of their ass like Kim Cohen here does, it's challenging. It's challenging to shut off all the noise in the background. And it's almost like that's going to happen regardlessly anyways, and regardlessly. It's just going to happen. People are going to say shit. You're going to run into stuff. People are going to pull you out of your dreams and your hopes and dreams. But no matter what, you can't lose that energy. You can't let that energy go of your dreams and be like, maybe next year, maybe I won't do it. Maybe it was a stupid idea. That's not the vibe. So I created a brand new program called Energetic Codes. And in Energetic Codes, this is a 6 months mentorship. And it's done in a really cool way that I feel like gets to be fun and easy and exciting for everyone. So this is what's the dealio? This is like the thought around it. The point of it is to help you hold the energy. Okay? So inside of Energetic Codes, what we do is every single week, whoever joins, it's like a rollover. So it means that whenever you start, that's when the 6 months start. But whatever you missed, you don't get to catch up on that. So there's that. So it is really exciting to get in there for the first one, like the first week and things like that. But every single week, you guys, the members that are inside of the group, get to submit questions to me of things that they struggle with, things that they're stuck at. They don't understand. They don't understand how to hold their vibration. They don't understand how to manifest this one thing. They don't understand how to get this one thing. Whatever it is, your struggles, all your I can'ts, all the things that get in the way of making you have the most magical fucking life that you deserve, all of that, all of your struggles and your pain and your confusion and like all of that, you get to ask me questions, okay? On a weekly basis, you submit riffs. They're called riffs. And what happens is I select a couple of the questions every week and I dive deep into voice notes, right? So like kind of like a WhatsApp message or, you know, like, I don't know, like Instagram messages, right? And it's kind of like a rant, okay? And I dive deep into how I would approach the situation, how I would overcome this situation, this struggle, this thing that you're currently dealing with. And what happens is everyone gets to listen to these messages. So I'm the only one who gets to answer them. Nobody gets to answer other people's questions. And in this space, we get to hold the energy. We get to hold the energy of your manifestations, of your dreams. We do not drop it. This group mentorship and membership holds you accountable in the energy of being like, of staying in the energy, of not dropping it. It gets to be really fun. It gets to be really exciting. And what you're going to find inside of this container is that different people are going to ask different things and I'm going to be answering different things. And the things that you thought maybe do not apply to you might just apply to you. They might be that one thing that changes everything for you. That blind spot that you might have been having for a while now and you haven't realized. It's a limiting belief. It's some shadow work. It's like something that's like been subconscious in the back of your head that you haven't even realized. And once you hear, because I really believe in the collective energy of the people that are going to be there. I believe that we're all there intertwined in each other's energy and it's all there like to serve everyone. And so you might find that someone else's like question and the answer to it, but you might be like, oh my God, I actually did not realize that I do that. And that's actually what happened a lot in the money magnet. A lot of people can say that they know how to manifest money and they know how to manifest, but then something is not adding up. They're still not getting the kind of results that they want. And some of the people and they were like, oh, I didn't realize that I've been doing that. I didn't realize that I do that, right? And so this gets to be a beautiful space where you get to expand, where you get to be with like-minded people that want to operate from a high vibrational frequency. And I get to like hold the energy for you. And as a group and as a collective, we get to hold the energy of being accountable into the manifestation world, into the quantum field, into 5D, into getting the most amazingest, magical fucking life you could ever dream of. In the most easiest, effortless way. We talked a lot about this in Money Magnet. Manifesting from the path of least resistance. I always get fucked up on that. I'm like, on that sentence. The path of the path of least resistance. So inside of this membership, you're going to get access to the community where you get to meet other like-minded magical people that are in my world, and we get to build a world inside of this magical place. The riffs are going to come in every Friday. So tomorrow's Friday, and like for a moment, I don't know what happened to yesterday. It kind of didn't happen. I'm like, wait, I thought today was Wednesday. What happened? Wait, what? Did I just skip time and space? Like, what happened? I literally thought it was Wednesday the whole day, and then someone's like, our riffs are coming tomorrow. And I was like, wait, tomorrow's Friday. What the fuck? Okay. Yeah, of course. Like, they're there. They're coming. So, and the reason why we do this for 6 months is because you're going to keep raising your vibrations each and every single week until it becomes who the fuck you are. Until you don't have to try to raise your vibration. You just do it because that is who the fuck you are. Right? And we don't let there be leaky energy of like, yeah, I want that, but right? None of that shit. We get to operate from the path of less resistance, of effortless, easy, abundance, downloading information from the 5D, raising our vibrations and frequencies to manifest things faster than you can imagine. I talked a lot about this in Money Magnet yesterday, that I can manifest $50,000 in 2 days. I can do that. I've done that. I can manifest, $25,000 in 4 days. How? Where's the logic? Nope. There's none. That's the point. That's where we get to operate from. Sorry, children. I need a sip of water. But do I like this brand? Not really. But I'm doing a water test. I always test out different waters on different frequencies and shit. That's what I do. I fuck around with water. It's one of my hobbies. Well, you're 70% water, so the vibration of water is obviously highly important. But anyways, back to the conversation. So I am so fucking excited for tomorrow. Can I just tell you that? We already have people that signed up for this during the time where they bought Money Magnet Masterclass. If you haven't joined that, definitely join that. You do have at the checkout an opportunity to get like both of them together as a bundle. But we really start tomorrow, and this gets to be really exciting. You're going to get a deep dive into my brain, into my world, into how the fuck I manifest life, how the fuck I do whatever it is that I've done in the past, all the crazy, amazing, incredible things that can't be explained into words, but just shock and like, what the heck moments. All of that and more. You get to ask me anything. And that's like the beauty of this container, hold on, is that I get to go deep into all these things that have been holding you back from getting the fucking life that you deserve. Like, can I get a hell yeah? Hello, thank you for joining us, but I'm about to get off of the live. You guys, tomorrow we start. You're more than welcome to sign up. There's going to be links in different places and things, probably in my swipe up, in a story highlight, wherever you find this. If you cannot find it, comment somewhere and ask me for the links to join this. This gets to be a really magical and special space. And I can't wait to see you guys tomorrow in Energetic Codes.